Hi friend, my name is Diptendu Acharya. Today I am going to tell you one nice lesson how to face the interview. Today I will give you some interview tips. First, for interview tips we are having like 10 most important points. We will discuss one by one. First one, listening. The interviewer, they will give you some information, may be direct or indirect, but you have to give at first listen properly. If you are not listening properly, you are missing the opportunity. That's why the most important for the interview, you should listen properly, then only you have to give the answer to the interview. That is the most important point for the interview. Second point is that use appropriate language. Like in an interview, this is the professional platform. Don't use any like inappropriate language, like example religion, like any negative thinkings about that, like cultures, anything. Always don't talk anything about that one. If the interviewer, they will ask you some question, use always the appropriate language. That's why that is the most important point for the interviewer. Third point is that answer question, like what are the questions the interviewer they will ask you, try to give that like answer. If you don't know the answer, don't waste your time and don't waste the interviewer time. Just tell that I don't know, then the interviewer they will ask you the second question. But don't hesitate to ask the question for the interviewer and try to give all the answer for the interviewer. Next, fourth point is that ask question. If you are not understanding anything, if you are having any doubt or anything, then don't hesitate to ask like question for the interviewer. If you are having any doubt, you can ask to the interviewer. Next point is that don't be depressed. That is the most important point for the interview. Like don't be depressed, don't be confused, don't take tension like for the interview. Whenever you are going for the interview, you should remember three things like cool, calm and confidence. That is the three factor very important for face the interview. Anytime cool, calm and confidence. Next point is that don't be friendly. Interview, like this is the professional platform. That's why don't be like friendly in the interview time. Like normally maintain a good relation, and that is the very important point. If you are very friendly, that is the normally not good for the interview time. That's why behave like professional. How much is required, you have to do the same thing. Next point is don't talk too much, because what are the questions the interviewer they will ask you, try to give that answer. Don't talk too much. If they will ask you simple question, if you are telling like long story or everything, that is the not good for the interview. Okay, how much question they want, try to give that much of answer, not more than that. That's why don't talk too much for the interview. Next point is your body language. This is the like non-verbal communication, but this is the most important role for the interviewer, like your body language. Because body language we have to give 100% preparation, because how you are talking, your talking style, your eye contact, your everything, that is the most important thing. Your it is not mean that your dress well, but the first thing is that your body language should be like how you are sitting on the chairs, your sittings. That is the most important things for the interviewer. It should be like your body language should be good. Next point is dress well. The first impression is that whenever you are going for the interview, try to go in a professional dress, formal dress, and your shirt should be well ironed, like everything, because because first impression is the last impression. That's why if you are going for the interview, at first dress well and groom yourself very nicely, and then only go for the interview. Next point is that gesture. Like what do you mean by gesture? Gesture is known as like eye contact and shake hand, because that is the most important point for the interviewer. Like your interview you will be finished within a second. That's why you should be whenever you are talking to the to the interviewer. You should be maintain some nice eye contact with nice smile. And next thing is that handshake. This is the important role for the interview. Like you should be give some nice handshake with the interviewer, or next. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you like this video.